Hi guys, welcome to Sempof TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons that are beneficial like this. Also, like and comment on the video. Don't forget as well to introduce your friends so that they also benefit. So, on this episode or on this lesson, we are going to do algebra. Algebra, it is any letter of the alphabet that is used to represent any quantity. I'm going to repeat this. Algebra is any letter of the alphabet that is used to represent any quantity. The word quantity means number. So, meaning to say A until Z, any letter can be used. However, you are going to see that most times X and Y, they are used. Do you know why? Because of graphs. But it doesn't mean that if you see that when there's a C, it's not algebra. If there's Q, it's not algebra. If there's R, it's not algebra. So now I'm going to show you how to add or subtract algebra. It's simple. After watching this video, believe me, you are going to understand how to add algebra. If you already knew how to add algebra, you are going to enjoy it. I'm telling you. Please watch this video until the end so that you completely understand it. So, let's say for example, we have 10x plus 3x. What is going to be our answer? Okay, let us not start with that one. Let's say we have x plus x. If we have x plus x, what is our answer? What do you think? You think x is squared? No, it's not correct. You're 100% wrong if you think it's x squared. X plus x, I want you to take it in this way. Dollar plus dollar, what is the answer? $2. Rand plus rand, what is the answer? 2 rand. Bond plus bond, what is the answer? 2 bond. I'm going to explain to you where we are getting those numbers and what's happening. So watch this video until the end again so that you completely understand it. So here our answer is going to be 2x. So if you have a notebook, you must have a notebook that you jot down maths notes that are important. I want you to write this. If you are adding or subtracting algebra, you add or subtract coefficient. Someone is now confused what a coefficient is. A coefficient is just a number that will be with the algebra or the number behind algebra. Like here, what is the coefficient of x? It's 10. What is the coefficient of x here? It's 3. So that is what we did here. There's a coefficient 1 that is here and a coefficient 1 that is here. 1, it can be written or not written. Because if it's just written x, there's a 1 that is there. It's more like, okay, I want you to understand it. I'm going to use a real life situation to explain this. If you see somewhere or a post or an advertisement written, let's say bananas for 2. What does this mean? It means bananas $1 for 2. But where is the 1? It's there, but it's just that you can't see it. Okay, I hope that you understand it. So what we did here, as I told you, if we are adding or subtracting algebra, we add or subtract the coefficient of that algebra here. So there's a 1 that is here, the 1 that is here. We just said 1 plus 1. Our answer is 2. And then we put again our algebra. So x plus x is 2x. Then our algebra doesn't change. So here, 10 plus 3, what is going to be the answer? It's 13x. So you see what is happening. You just add the algebra. So you just add or subtract the algebra. Let's say we have 5m plus 2m. Our answer is going to be 7m. What if we have 15y plus 4y? Our answer is going to be what? 19. Why? Remember, you just add the coefficient, which is the number that is with the algebra or the number behind algebra or the number multiplying algebra. So you are just saying 15 plus 4, then you get your answer is 19. What if you get something like this now? 10p minus 3p. I'm going to use the same example again. Why is it on algebra I like to use the example of money? Because I know that no one will fail in money. The way you like money, you won't fail calculations of money. Okay, 10 rand. Let us just put it that way. 10 rand minus 3 rand, what is the answer? 7 rand. 10 bond minus 3 bond, what is the answer? 7 bond. $10 minus $3. What is the answer? $7. So here, what you'll be doing is you'll be just simplifying the coefficient. So you're saying 10 minus 3, what is the answer? It's 7p. Don't forget your algebra, because if you just say 7 without algebra, let me give you an example. If you just say 7 without a dollar sign, is not money. If you just say 7 without a rand sign, it's not money. So you have to indicate that it's 7p. If it's 7p. What if we have, okay, let me erase such that we have more space. So you are going to see that as you will be listening to these lessons, you understand that, oh no, mathematics is not difficult. It's just that the way it was explained to you was not clear. So watch this video until the end again, such that you completely understand. Also, don't forget to watch other videos that are coming on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, what if we have 100x minus 20x? Don't be confused if numbers become bigger. Will you be confused if I say 100 rand minus 20 rand? No. 100 bond minus 20 bond? No. $100 minus $20? No, you won't be confused. So why do you want to be confused with algebra? It's just one and the same thing. I'm not saying algebra is money, no, but I'm saying the way we do it is the same. You are simplifying coefficients. So our answer here is going to be 80x. 5z minus 5z. Our answer will be 0. You can't say 0z. Or $5 minus $5 is 0. You want to say $0, it's just 0, it's one and the same thing. Okay, now what if you have something like this? Minus 10x minus 3x, like this. What is going to be your answer? It's minus 13x. Do you know how we get minus 13x? As I told you, we simplify the coefficient of the algebra. So here just said minus 10 minus 3. Then your answer is minus 13. If you don't understand how we get minus 13, subscribe on this YouTube channel, and also go and view the lesson, the first lesson. You are going to understand how to do this. Is directed numbers, which is lesson 1 on Sempof TV YouTube channel. What if we have got 7m minus 2m? It's gonna be minus 9m. Minus 1000 q minus 3. Okay, let us make it 34q. It's gonna be minus 1034q. Simple and straightforward. What if you have this? Minus 10m plus 10m. Our answer is going to be 0. If you are not understanding, especially on having negatives, it means you have to view the first lesson on Sempof YouTube channel, directed numbers, lesson 1. So there's nothing that is complicated or difficult here. What you just have to know is to add or subtract directed numbers. That is what is needed. Then the rest, it's simple and straightforward. Even when you are given 3, let's say you are given 10x plus 7x plus x. Our answer here is going to be 10 plus 7, it's 17. Plus 1, it's 18. So it will be 18x. Simple and straightforward. There's nothing that is complicated here. If there is any question that you have, feel free to ask. This is a free lesson, and any question that you ask, I will respond to you. I will answer you. There is my WhatsApp number. Feel free to communicate with me if you have any question there. So, in conclusion, algebra is any letter of the alphabet that is used to represent any quantity. And when you are solving algebra, when you are adding or subtracting algebra, you add or subtract coefficient of the algebra. Coefficient, which is the number that is behind algebra, the number that is multiplying algebra. I hope that you completely benefited and understand what algebra is. Now I'm going to give you the exercise that I want you to write. After you write this exercise, remember exercise, I want to make sure to see if you understand it, if you completely understand it, also yourself, you also gauge yourself. You see where you are on mathematics. So here is the exercise. 10x plus 9x, that's your number 1. Your number 2, 50m plus 25m. Your number 3, 17b minus 2b. Your number 4, minus 10w minus 14w. Your number 5, minus 2q minus 17q. Your number 6, minus 50b plus 40b. Your number 7, okay, you can still see it, minus 11m plus 10, okay, let me make it 100, plus 100m. Number 8, 9, and 10, you won't be able to see it. I hope that number 7 is clear. Minus 11m plus 100m. That's your number 7. Then number 8, I'm going to write it on top. 8, 9, and 10. Your exercise must have 10 questions. Number 8, minus 500b minus 205b. Number 9, 5v minus 7v. Number 10, minus 10,000 x plus 10,000 x. I hope that you are going to write this exercise as I told you. You send it to my inbox on the WhatsApp number that is on the screen. Don't forget to write your name, the country that you are from. Also, send the exercise. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons that are beneficial like this. Also, tell your friends and family and other people that you think that they might benefit from this lesson. Don't forget to wear mask if you are going in public places, because you'll be protecting yourself and others. Remember, we are in this corona pandemic. Coronavirus kills. Coronavirus is real. Stay focused.